Sometimes filming these YouTube videos is good for me because I hardly ever separate my hardware to see what I've got. But today I did that just because everything was in that bag and looking pretty confusing. Pulled a white table out of the garage so I can see all the black screws on it. And now we'll continue with the installation. I like the look. I'm going to tell you the instructions leave a lot to be desired here. Here's where I was going the 3 inches from, and they're very, very firm. I can stand on them, but guess what? I still have the other side to do, so we'll do those now. Putting the running boards on today. This little tray came in that I ordered. It's got sticky tape on both sides, but before I peel that off and install this, I want to make sure it fits. So what that does is, you can see this is just down like this. You can't put a phone in there or anything. Put that tray in, and suddenly you got another little pocket up here to put whatever you want to put in for the passenger when you're traveling. A little bit extra room. So we'll install that right now. Like it. So we washed and waxed it too at the end here, just to get it all cleaned up, looking good, before I show Dee what this looks like. And there's her running boards on here. I think it looks quite different than it did without them. Looks a little bit more finished, which I like. Like I say, I gave it a quick wax job and wash, and I think it looks pretty good. This side took significantly less time after we figured out where the brackets go. The instructions tell you nothing about which side the brackets go on, so you really got to kind of figure that out for yourself. Good luck. Give us a subscribe and a like if you like what we're doing on the channel. We're mostly RV and Miatas, but we're getting the Jeep ready to tow behind the RV for the season. So we just wanted to give you this quick tutorial on putting these running boards on. Hope you all have a great week.